Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you are a new subscriber or a newbie to my channel, then thank you guys so much for hitting this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and for all of my OG subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look here. It's very bright and vibrant and very summery. I pretty much just went with the flow when I was recording this video. I had absolutely no idea what I was gonna do. I just went, and this is what I created. I have a pretty boldish eye, bold smoky eye, and obviously a bold color lip, so I know I kind of like it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. I really hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you did, then drop a comment down below and let your girl know, okay? And for sure, definitely give this video a thumbs up also. And as always, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye. So today's video is going to be an AliExpress makeup haul, and y'all, I've been watching a ton of AliExpress makeup haul videos here on YouTube, and I was like, oh my god, I have to get my hands on some of this cheap makeup, because let's be honest, mainstream makeup ain't cheap, okay? Those bigger brands, they not cheap, okay? And I'm trying to save my pennies, so if I can get it cheaper and still good quality, then it's a win-win situation. So yes,